So I got 2 roosters processed. These are pretty big roosters. And we are going to marinate them in the fridge overnight. I have these fruits right here. I'm not sure what they're called, but they taste like a mix between an orange and a lemon. They're not really that great, but we're going to use them as marinade, and it should taste just fine as a marinade. So I have this juicer here. I'm just going to pour the juice in here with these chickens that I just processed. The outside, the peel of this fruit is going to go into this container, and I'm going to see about possibly making some homemade house cleaner out of the peels. If I find out what kind of fruit this is, I'll let you know, but they have a lot of seeds and they're pretty big. The tree itself is growing in my neighbor's front yard. I ask her every year if I can pick some, and I never have, but she always tells me yes, and so this year I went and picked some and found out that the tree itself actually has a lot of thorns all over the branches, and they're really sharp. So, change of plans. I think I can get these bags to close if I push the legs down, and I'm just going to dump the juice into here, and then afterwards I'll pour it half and half into these bags and add seasoning to it that way. That way I can turn the chicken over throughout the night to evenly coat them, make sure they are covered in marinade completely. Okay, so to this citrus mix, which is just, right now it's just citrus, I'm going to add some cilantro, chicken bouillon, garlic, and onions.
That's good.
All right, guys, I got the first one done. I got about half of the mix left, and we're going to put it in the other bag. So we got both chickens into these bags. I'm going to put it into the refrigerator overnight, and tomorrow you will see me put it into a turkey roaster. I don't have a working oven, so we use a turkey roaster a lot, and I'm very excited to see how these chickens turn out. All right, guys, so I just set my oven roaster to 450, and I'm going to put my chickens in here, and I'm going to let them cook for about an hour and a half and then check them. So this is what my chickens look like this morning. The bags did stay closed, and I just turned them early this morning when I woke up so that they were completely coated with the marinade. You want to be very careful handling raw chicken. Always wash your hands after you're handling raw chicken because you don't want to spread around salmonella and other germs. So make sure that you always wash your hands well after handling raw chicken. So this is what they look like. I watched somewhere that you should leave it on 450 for about 7 minutes to keep the skin nice and crispy. I'm going to have to move them around just a little bit because the legs are too high for my top. Okay, that's better. Like I said, I'm going to set a timer for an hour and a half, and then we'll come and check them. I don't have an internal thermometer, so we'll just have to do it like this. So we will set the timer for 7 minutes, and then after 7 minutes, we will turn the temperature down to 350. Okay, the timer just went off. It's been an hour and a half. We're going to see if it's done. The juices that are coming out are clear. I don't know if you can see that. It's very juicy. It looks done. There's no pink in the breast. Yep. Looks perfect. So I did decide to leave it in there for about 30 more minutes. So in all, it cooked for just over 2 hours. And they both look amazing. Sorry, my husband called me, but y'all, look at this breast meat. It is so tender and juicy. And it tastes so good. Is it good, Sophia?
Yes, ma'am. What is it?
Some chicken. You want to try some?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
But this is what we're having for our